Go right here. This is the Mr. Gasket ratchet shifter. I was gonna say something else. I ain't even gonna say it out loud. But I can't get it to go in park. But I can get it if y'all sit right here real quick. Put y'all down. So I can't get it to go in park. I think it's in neutral. That's what it's looking like, but I can get it to go in drive, second, and first. And the video that I seen also, he is, like I told y'all, I think it's missing a piece because he is like had like a little pin. So when he said when you're racing and you accidentally hit it up again, that pin, it's like a lockout pin. You won't go straight into neutral. You know what I'm saying? So you will basically still be in drive. So if you accidentally hit it, you won't go straight into neutral with that lockout pin.
Bingo! I got action.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Deuce, back with another video. Now this video is really about me getting y'all opinions on something. I want to know what y'all think about, well, y'all see the title on the thumbnail. So when I tell y'all, my pops had a few things left over for this Cutlass that he was gonna get around to, but just never had the chance to, you know what I'm saying, because he's been so busy. And since I took over and I got the car now and I'm rebuilding the car, putting my own personal touches in it, he found this automatic ratchet shifter. Now I don't know how they work or none of that. I don't know the value of them. I mean, I've looked them up and I've seen they go for like $100 to about $300 between that range. So yeah, he had this ratchet shifter for a while now, and y'all know my box Chevy, it has the gear shifter up here, but my Cutlass gear shifter is in the floor and it's the original one. So yeah, basically what I'm trying to say is I want to know what y'all think about this gear shifter I got. It's a ratchet shifter, and you feel me, I don't have to install it. For one, I don't even know how it works. I don't know what you do with it. I'm guessing it's for racing, but like I said, I want to get y'all opinions on it. Let me know what y'all think I should do, and let me know how it works. You feel me? I mean, I can look up some videos, but I'd rather talk to y'all about how this works than just watching a video and, you feel me, probably getting bored, you know, just watching a video. I don't even like watching videos too much anymore, you know. The main thing I watch now is just Netflix, you know. So yeah, man, like I said, I want to get y'all opinions on this ratchet gear shifter. Let me know what y'all think, if y'all think I should install it or what. I'm most likely not gonna get rid of it just because it was something my dad always had, and I've talked to him about it. He told me he think I should get it installed. Now I don't think I can do it myself. I don't think I know how to install it myself. But another thing is, I don't know how it's gonna look with the center console that's in that Cutlass right now. You feel me? It's the original center console. I don't know how that ratchet gear shifter is gonna look with it. He said it goes to the car and everything, you feel me? And when I was talking, I told y'all I know this mechanic personally that is gonna do the motor swap on my box Chevy. He asked me about my Cutlass. He was like, is it all original and stuff? You feel me? I told him it's the original motor in there. And then he asked me, do you have a ratchet gear shift in it? At first I didn't know what it was, but then I thought about it. I was like, my pops just gave me one. I was like, I don't have one in the car, but I do have a ratchet gear shift that I can put in there if I really want to. You know what I'm saying? So basically what he was saying, the mechanic, he told me he think I should get that installed in the car. And he said if I wanted to, he'll do it for me. He'll put it in the car. But like I said, I don't know how it works. I don't know the value of it. I don't know what's so special about them. Really, I don't know if I really want to, because like I said, I don't know nothing about it. But I can easily just do research and watch videos and stuff. But I'd rather have these little conversations with y'all to get y'all opinions on it, and y'all let me know what y'all think about it and everything. So the gear shifter is with me right now. It's outside the car, so I didn't put it inside the car because I wanted to wait till I got outside of the car to actually show it to y'all. You know what I'm saying? It is a Mr. Gasket, and like I said, it's a ratchet gear shifter. You feel me? I've done a little bit of research on it already, but like I said, I still don't know how they work, and I don't know what's so special about them. You know, why people love them so much, why people think you should actually have them in the car. And like I said, when I was talking to the mechanic, he kind of sounded like disappointed when I said I don't have a ratchet gear shifter in it. He was like, oh dang, you know what I'm saying, like that. And but I was like, but I do have one, you feel me? He was like, oh yeah, for sure. But he didn't say for sure, but you know. But he was saying basically if I wanted it installed, he could do it for me. But like I said, I don't know if I really want to. I don't know nothing about him. I don't know nothing what's so special about him, all that type of stuff, you know. So I guess I'll just figure it out in due time. But I definitely want to show it to y'all, get y'all opinions on it. So we're gonna get out of the car. I'm gonna show y'all the Ratchet gear shifter, and yeah, we're just gonna go from there. So make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all the way. Y'all be notified every time I drop. Share the channel, share this video. Let's keep growing, elevating together. This might be the last video I record for today, because tomorrow I definitely want to do the paint stripping on the wheels. I was gonna do it today, but I got somewhere I gotta go, and I'm really running out of time, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna do that tomorrow. So y'all just stay tuned. Like I said, I'm gonna get out the car and I'm gonna show y'all what we working with, and we're gonna go from there. So catch on once I get outside of the car. All right, y'all, so I know I haven't showed it to y'all yet. I know y'all probably already gonna skip forward or something, but here you go right here. This is the Mr. Gasket ratchet shifter. I was gonna say something else, I ain't even gonna say it out loud, but I can't get it to go in park, but I can get it if y'all sit right here real quick. Put y'all down. So I can't get it to go in park. I think it's in neutral. That's what it's looking like, but I can get it to go in drive, second, and first. So this ain't the 3-speed. I don't think. I don't know. You feel me? I don't know. But like I said, I got it neutral, drive, second, first. I can't get it to go up no more. But I guess you really just gotta have it in the car. And I think it's missing a piece, because it's supposed to be an extra piece to help it like unlock, so you can put it back into reverse and then park and stuff. But like I said, I just done a little bit of research. I know I said I was gonna wait to talk to y'all, but I've done a little bit of research, and also I could change this knob out too if I do decide to run this shifter. Now if I do, I'm most likely gonna take this black piece off and then just put this with that wood grain, you know what I'm saying, rock it out like that. So like I said, I've done a little bit of research on it, basically just tell y'all everything I know. But yeah, the knob comes off, as y'all can see, so I can replace the knob if I want to. And this is a Mr. Gasket. They sell a bunch of different brands, different kinds that you can get. This knob is definitely a little faded, and like I said, I'm not gonna get rid of this even if I don't use it. But I'm thinking about it. I'm considering it. Really, I'm considering it. So like I said, I just took a few notes. I just done a little bit of research, watched a few videos on how they are used and stuff. So one of the main things I did just find out is this is basically like a manual, just without the third brake pedal, you know what I'm saying? So like I said, I think it's missing a piece, because it's supposed to be an extra piece that you like hold, push in to be able to like move it and stuff. So, and because like it locks out, you feel me, in like drive, and when you're trying to go back in neutral, you can't just push it up. Well, some of them you can't, some of them you probably can, but it's, I think, like I said, I think it's missing an extra little piece. I don't know. That's why y'all will come in the comment section. But like I said, Mr. Gasket. And this is actually really clean, bro. I actually like it, you know. I like the way it looks. This is what it looks like at the bottom. Got a wire here. And like I said, it's a pin right there if y'all look and see. So if I can't even push this up with my hand. Yeah, it's definitely got to be missing a piece, you know what I'm saying? And I hate I'm doing this over video to where I'm gonna have to wait to get y'all response and everything. But yeah, like I said, I've done a little bit of research, so I'm basically gonna just tell y'all what I just learned, for those of y'all that don't know, just like me. So I'm gonna basically just try and tell y'all everything that I just found out. So like I said, this is basically like a manual. It's like driving a stick shift car, just without the third brake pedal, you know what I'm saying? And a lot of people use these ratchet shifters for racing, which I've been watching like on TikTok. I've been like, I don't know if y'all watch TikTok, like Velocity Motorsports. I've been watching a lot of their videos. They go racing a lot. Even though I'm not really a racing guy, I'm more of a custom car guy, you feel me? I'm not really in the racing scene. I'm more so just like customizing cars. But I've been watching their racing videos, and with their transmissions and stuff, they've been doing ratchet shifters to shift and stuff, you know what I'm saying? So basically, when your car get up to like 2,500 RPM, you're gonna start off in first. When your car get up to like 2,500 RPM, somewhere around there, you're gonna switch to second, and then basically just keep doing it like that. So like I said, it's like a manual, but it's automatic. So like I said, I made a little list of stuff, basically what I just researched. So yeah, like I just told y'all, it's like a manual just without the third brake pedal. A lot of these are used for racing. Some people get them to like cruise around just for like the look and stuff, but most of these are like for racing cars, you feel me? Some of them have them in their street cars, but these are mainly used for like racing. And then like when you in reverse, I just watched this on the video. The dude said on his video, he said when you are in reverse, to go into park, it's basically like 2 clicks. So when you push it up, say I'm in reverse now, you gotta like push it up twice, and you hear 2 clicks and it'll be in park. But it don't go into park in like 1 click. But I'm guessing that's with all of them, or maybe not with all of them. I honestly don't know. But the video I seen his was just like this, and he said to go in park, you gotta push it up twice, and then to go into park. You know what I'm saying? And then when you're racing, like I said, you're gonna start off in first gear, then you get your RPM up about 2,500, maybe 3,000, and you gonna switch to second gear. And then I seen a video where it's a 3-speed one, so you're gonna switch from second to third, then to third to drive, and then just like that, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, and the video that I seen also, his, like I told you, I think it's missing a piece, because his like had like a little pin. So when he said when you're racing and you accidentally hit it up again, that pin, it's like a lockout pin, you won't go straight into neutral, you know what I'm saying? So you will basically still be in drive. So if you accidentally hit it, you won't go straight into neutral with that lockout pin, you know what I'm saying? So you can't just accidentally put it in neutral. You have to move that pin, and then or squeeze the pin and shift it up to neutral, you know what I'm saying? So that's how the dude did it in his video. And I watched the video of the dude talking about it, then I watched another video of a dude actually doing it, like in motion, driving, doing it, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, that's really it. That's really all my notes. Used for racing. Put in the park, you gotta push it up twice. Starting first gear when racing. Really starting first gear with anything, I'm pretty sure. And then the lockout pin, so you can't accidentally go into neutral. Kind of like driving a manual. And then 2,500 RPM, you change from first to second, and then so on and so forth, you know what I'm saying? So this is the shifter. Y'all leave y'all opinions in the comment section down below. Like I said, if I do use it, I'm just gonna use just this plastic piece, not the black piece, but the chrome plated plastic piece. And yeah, and the shifter obviously, but not the black piece. Most likely would not use that black piece, and then put it where the original gear shift is. So yeah, man, this is it. It's definitely a little rusted. Y'all leave y'all opinions in the comments down below. Let me know what y'all think, if y'all think I should use it or not. Honestly, I don't know if I want to, because I don't like driving manual. I've drove a manual before. My dad has a manual S10 or C10, S10, manual S10, and I struggle driving that manual, you know what I'm saying? But he told me all I gotta do is keep practicing and I'll get the hang of it. I do not like driving manual. I don't even like driving with both my feet, with the clutch and the pedal and the brake pedal, gas pedal, and the clutch. I don't like doing all that. It's too much for me. So I like my automatics. Just put it in gear and just drive, you know, instead of having to keep banging gears, you know what I'm saying? Keep banging gears. I don't know. So this basically, like I said, like a manual, and I don't know if I really want to rock out with a manual. So yeah, maybe I'll do it and have it like that for maybe like a year, then change it back to the original, you feel me? Or maybe I just rock out with the original for now, and then later on down the line I change it off to this. I'm gonna talk to my dad, see what he think. I know he gonna say put this in there, because he loved driving manuals. He know how to drive manuals really good, and he just loved driving. He been driving manuals since he was a kid, so he gonna tell me to go out to rock out with this. But like I said, I don't know what I want to do. That's why I got y'all to also talk to, and then like I said, I'm gonna talk to my dad, see what he think, because that Cutlass was his car. It's mine now, but it was his car, and I definitely want to know what he think I should do with it, with this gear shifter. So Ratchet gear shifter, we got it. So I basically have an option, you know what I'm saying, if I want to use it, if I don't. And I'm not gonna get rid of this, I'm gonna keep it. And like I said, online they only like $100, $300, between that range, $100, $300. They're not too much. So if y'all want to pick one up, y'all can, and y'all can leave y'all opinions on it. If y'all got one, tell me what y'all think about it. So yep, I'm gonna put this back up, and I'll catch y'all in a second for the outro. Like I said, got my notes, so I basically know what it is and how they work and all that stuff. And like I said, I watched a video on it. I actually watched 2 videos on them. and just did a little bit of research before I just started. I should have done that before I actually fully started the video, but it'll be all right, you know what I'm saying? Now I know a little bit about it, and I really know how they work, you know? It's like a manual, and you gotta do the gears right, you know? And I'm not gonna be racing that car anyway. That car is more so my show car, even though I'm gonna be driving it a lot, but I'm not gonna be racing it, so I really don't have to have it. It's just an option, you know? So get y'all opinions on it in the comment section down below. Y'all let me know what y'all think, and I'll catch y'all in a second for the outro. All right, y'all, so like I said, man, y'all leave y'all opinions in the comment section down below. It's gonna be the end of today's. I'm done recording for today. I'm gonna try to wake up early tomorrow so I can come and get all this stuff done that I'm trying to do. I know that frame rust and frame paint is gonna take me a little minute, so I'm definitely going to try and wake up early so I can get that. I definitely want to do that tomorrow to this car, and then get the Cutlass back, do the same thing. I really want to pull the body off, but man, I don't have nowhere to do that at, so I can't really do it. I'm just trying to do the areas that I can, just do the best that I can, you know what I'm saying? So like I said, it's a lot I got to install tomorrow. If y'all didn't check out the video, I went ahead and got me a new half wrap for my steering wheel. Y'all will go check that video out, you know what I'm saying? I got to install that tomorrow. I'm trying to get some of that paint off of them 20-inch spoke wheels that I got that I'm gonna use for my Cutlass as like a temporary wheel. Try and do that tomorrow. Try to do some of the frame on this car, and then I'm gonna just take the car out and just cruise and drive, you know what I'm saying? Have fun in my car. And yeah, we're just gonna keep rocking out, taking it day by day with all this stuff that's going on. So hope y'all enjoyed this video though. Let me know what y'all think about the gear shifter in the comment section down below. Honestly, I don't know if I'm gonna use it or not. Like I told you, I hate manuals. I don't like manuals. I hate driving manuals, and with that gear shifter, it's like driving a manual, you know what I'm saying? You gotta bang the gears. So I mean, I'm guessing you probably don't have to, but I don't know, you feel me? Maybe I'll think about it. Maybe I'll go ahead and do it. Maybe I won't, you know? Honestly, I don't know yet. Basically, I'm gonna figure it out. I really just need to get the car back, and then we can figure out stuff step by step, day by day, how I want to get everything done and how I'm going to be installing everything. So yeah, man, I hope y'all enjoyed this video though. I appreciate y'all for tuning in. Y'all, like I said, leave y'all opinions in the comment section down below. If y'all have one, let me know what you think about it, how you feel about the gear shifter, you feel me? If you have one. If you don't, still let me know what you think about it. So make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell all the way, y'all be notified every time I drop. Share the channel, share these videos, keep going and elevating together. I love y'all, I appreciate y'all. Keep God first and God bless, and I will catch y'all on the next one. Peace.